30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. Bridges get lower, shrimp boats are coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turned his head, took a drink from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. Well, I was born in the rain on a pontoon train on a little Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane and come around every turn. The high blind water, devil's daughter, she's hot cold and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Man came down from Chicago, he gonna set the levee right. Says it needs to be at least 3 feet higher, it won't make it through the night. But the old man down in the corner said, don't listen to that boy. Why'd I be down by the morning? He'll be back to Illinois. Well, I was born in the rain on a pontoon train on a little Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane and come around every turn. The high blind water, devil's daughter, she's hot cold and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. Bridges get lower, shrimp boats are coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turned his head, took a drink from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. Well, I was born in the rain on a pontoon train on a little Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane and come around every turn. The high blind water, devil's daughter, she's hot cold and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away